Welcome back, lighting enthusiasts. Today, we're exploring the best moon lamps of 2025, featuring designs that combine elegance, technology, and celestial charm. Whether you're setting the mood in your bedroom, creating a relaxing atmosphere, or looking for the perfect gift, these moon lamps are sure to dazzle. Let's dive in. First on our list is the Mydethun 16 Colors Moon Lamp, an enchanting piece that brings the magic of the moon right into your home. This 5.9-inch lamp is designed with 16 vibrant colors and an impressive 148 combination modes, allowing endless possibilities to match your mood or decor. The LED light provides a soft, soothing glow, perfect for relaxing evenings or as a nightlight. The lamp's thoughtful design includes a sturdy wooden stand, adding an elegant touch to its aesthetic. Its remote control offers convenient customization of colors and brightness, making it a versatile and user-friendly choice. Whether it's a Christmas gift, a centerpiece for a bedroom, or a decorative addition to any space, the Mydethun moon lamp is the perfect blend of functionality and charm. Next on our list is the GDPETS moon lamp, a stunning decorative light that brings the beauty of the moon into your space. This lamp offers 16 vibrant color options, allowing you to customize your ambiance for any occasion, whether it's a cozy night at home, a birthday celebration, or a romantic evening. With both remote and touch controls, the GDPETS moon lamp provides effortless operation, letting you adjust colors and brightness with ease. Its USB rechargeable design ensures portability and convenience, making it suitable for any room or setting. The wooden stand adds an elegant touch, complementing the lamp's celestial aesthetic. Ideal as a gift for babies, kids, lovers, or anyone who appreciates unique decor, the GDPETS moon lamp is a versatile and charming addition to any home. Its combination of functionality, style, and thoughtful design makes it a standout choice for 2025. The KIFACI rechargeable moon lamp is an enchanting 5.9-inch 3D moon lamp designed to bring a calming and celestial glow to any space. Crafted with realistic lunar surface details, it serves as a stylish decoration or a functional nightlight, making it a versatile choice for bedrooms, nurseries, or living spaces. This lamp is rechargeable, ensuring portability and ease of use without the hassle of cords. Its gentle, soothing light is perfect for creating a cozy ambiance, especially in kids' rooms where it can add comfort and a touch of magic. Whether you're looking for stocking stuffers, gifts for kids and adults, or a beautiful addition to your decor, the KIFACI moon lamp fits the bill with its charming and practical design. Next on our list is the Mamre Super Moon Nightlight, a dimmable table lamp that blends beauty and functionality. This lamp is perfect for creating a cozy and romantic atmosphere, making it a thoughtful choice for special occasions like anniversaries, weddings, Valentine's Day, or Christmas celebrations. The Supermoon Nightlight stands out with its realistic design and elegant presence, serving as both a decorative centerpiece and a functional light source. Its dimmable feature allows you to adjust the brightness to suit your mood or setting, whether you're relaxing at home or hosting a special event. If you're searching for a gift that's unique and memorable, the Mamre Supermoon Nightlight is a stellar choice for 2025. Finally, we have the Brucepitt Moon Lamp Galaxy Lamp, a mesmerizing 4.7-inch moonlight designed with stunning galaxy patterns. This upgraded lamp features 16 vibrant colors and a built-in timer, making it a versatile and enchanting lighting option for any space. Perfect for both kids and adults, this moon lamp is an excellent gift for women, girls, boys, or anyone who loves celestial-inspired decor. Its 3D printed design ensures a realistic lunar surface, while its compact size makes it ideal for bedrooms, desks, or as a charming nightlight. Whether as a thoughtful gift or a beautiful addition to your decor, the Brucepitt moon lamp brings practicality and a touch of magic to your home. That's it for our list of the best moon lamps of 2025. From enchanting decor to thoughtful gifts, these moon lamps have something for everyone. Which one will you bring home? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more unique product reviews and home inspiration. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.